to incorporate business in Canada, federal, named corporation, any business, how you can open that as a resident Canadian, you will see in this video, and you pay only this much. To do that, below this video, I have shared my affiliate link in the description. Make sure to click on that affiliate link and you will come to this website. I've partnered with this business solution provider. You can go on their website directly. You don't see that 15% discount at the time of checkout. And I'll show you in video. There are many other added things which will be useful for you when you're incorporating your business. So once you have clicked on the link which is given in the description, you will come to this website and here you will click Get Started Now. On this page, click on New as it's a new business. Then when it comes to province, right now this is available in Ontario, Alberta, British Columbia and Quebec. When it comes to Quebec, there is a requirement of French. I made a separate video. The link will be there in the description if you are looking for Quebec specific incorporation. The steps are same except one step where it is little different from Quebec. Now I'm choosing Ontario. You select your province and then click Next. Compare your option. Here we are going with incorporation, so I'm selecting this. Then about your company, I'm going with the named corporation. If you're going with the numbered company, in that case, the company will be assigned a unique number. Going with the named company here and then entering the company name. As you enter, make sure it meets the requirement distinctive and descriptive. So once I'm typing my company name, Cipher 40, you see it shows warning if it is not meeting, and once I have entered everything, it shows confirm, meets and satisfy the legal requirement. From this drop down, I've kept in. You have all these options and then click Next. This is the sign up page and you can see here 185k Canadian business are on Ownr. So once you enter your name, email and password and sign up on this page, you enter your phone number and then the address of the province. Here I am showing Ontario. So you will have to select your address and then click on I'm a Canadian resident. You can go here and find who Canadian resident is, basically who resides, who is a permanent resident, ordinarily reside in Canada. So you can read more from here and then you click Next. Here this comes by default including address and then my company will operate in. From this drop down, you select your business, what is closest from here. So choose carefully. Once you have selected company's fiscal year end, I have kept it as December. So January to December will be the cycle which I follow, and the tax cycle, the tax filing happens mid of next year. That's how in my case it happens. So I've kept it December. There are 2 tax cycles and then you click Next. On my website, Canada Tried and Tested, I have organized everything for you for business in Canada, from registering businesses province-wise to how to copyright, patent, business plan, how to file the annual incorporation, how to file nil report. All these details you can find here, including how to update business detail with CRA. Coming back, you check the name, review it here, and once you are okay, click Next. Company ownership, here I have selected by myself, so you have these options both. Once you choose your option, click Next. And since I have shown single person, this is how it looks. And once you click here, you're shown the contact information what you had entered, and then also the controller information. So you can enter your citizenship and jurisdiction for tax purpose. Once this is done, you click Next. On the ID verification page, make sure matches with your government ID, first name, middle name, last name. Once that is entered, your date of birth. Once these 2 things are checked, you click Next. Your QR code, recently this is added. So here you'll have to give an acceptable ID. After you scan the QR code, you'll have to verify this. And here you can give your driving license, passport or any government issued ID. Once you have scanned and you click I have scanned the QR code and you have verified the ID, you click Next. Then you come to this choose your plan. Here you see for the complete incorporation, government registration fee $200, $299 is the legal fee, one-time fee. You will see how you get the discount as we go ahead. Then you come to the annual subscription. Let me come down, and here you have 2 options: online minute book plan, where you get the minute book free for first year and thereafter $199 per year. Or if you are a growing business and you want to go for managed corporation plan, you get this for $499 for first year and then $599 for next year onwards. So You can compare what options are here. Let me show this plan part. If you're going with the managed corporation plan, there are few other add-ons which you get in addition to what you are paying here, and those add-ons of course will cost you money. So once you select this plan, you have this add-on managed shareholder, managed employees. If you want, you can go and add this, and as you add, the overall will change from what you see here. Then if you don't want this, you save and you go with this managed corporation plan, or you go with this online minute book plan, whichever option you choose. Once you do this, you will see this $300 saving option in the next page. Selecting this, we're on the billing information page, and here you can see government registration $200, legal formation $299. All these things will get created for you. 1 year Ownr subscription, which is free for the first year, otherwise $199. And then with the RBC bank account opening, you get this $300 credit that is getting applied. So if you don't want, you unlist this and your total changes to this. So once you go with RBC bank account with the 300 discount, the promo code 15%, which I talked about, get that in addition, and then your subtotal with that, you pay only this much. So once this discount is applied and you have gone through this, you click next, then you go with payment. Payment will be done through the credit card. Once the payment is done, go ahead and do your name reservation for the name what was chosen, and then you do your final review of document, that is check, recheck, cross check. Once everything is done and you submit, then Ownr takes on from here. They will review the document, they will get the registration done for you, and once the registration is done, you can set up appointment with RBC either online or offline to open a RBC bank account. So friends, I hope find this video useful. Make sure to check out the link and use the link to get all that is getting shown in this video. Thanks for watching.